What's the deal, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys have never been to the channel, I'm a roofer out of here from the Portland area, and if you guys know what's going on, we have the fires going on, but look at how nasty this is. We're coming up to this light. I don't know, I was probably down there a quarter mile and you couldn't even see this light. Look at this, though, just driving it, you know. As a matter of fact, I actually have the guys, everybody's basically taking the day off. There's a couple people inside the office, but the roofers are, they are not working today because the air quality is poor. When was the last time that you guys, like, you know, didn't have to work for something like this? This is just crazy. I got the day off, and I'm gonna be putting up a new fan light in my bathroom. So I'm gonna help you go, and I'll go see what they have over there. On over here. What's up, Jack? Oh. What's Jack gonna do? Look at the smoke. You can like see the haze. Look at this in the store. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if it pops up, but yeah, you can see the haze. All right, so she said aisle 39. Well, what do you know? It's an HVAC. So if you're a homeowner, usually you call the HVAC guys up for this, right? So we're gonna go to the bathroom fans down here on aisle 39. Ooh, look at this one. This one's got speakers on it. That's tight right there. Oh, look. LED light and dual color right now. Oh man, I always got a problem when I go to the bathroom at night. Man, gotta turn the light on. That always bugs me. This one looks tight right here. Oh, it's a $1.49 too. All right, let's go ahead and jam back to the house and get this thing put in. Alrighty guys, we are back here and we are ready to put this fan in. Now the problem with this fan is this fan just wouldn't turn off. So it's 30 years old, it's time to replace the fan. We did go ahead and get this, the Home Netwerks one. So this one comes with a Bluetooth and it's 110 CFM. Also, it also has a like a amber, blue light, and you know, your white light. I think it actually has white, daylight, or soft white. I think you can change the colors on it. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is going over this in 6 steps. Step 1, we're gonna go ahead and remove the grill. Take a look at it. Step 2, we're gonna go find the panel. We have to turn off the power. Step 3, we're gonna remove the fan. Step 4, we're gonna go up in the attic and connect it. Step 5, we're gonna put the grill back on it, and then step 6, we'll connect the switch and fire it up and see what we got going on. Alrighty, we are here at the panel, and we're gonna go ahead and turn off the switch with the, looks like master bed right here. This is the switch with the fan on it and all the lights. So make sure to turn your power off if you don't. Alrighty guys, I'm not sure if we're gonna need all this, but here's some tools that you might need. A drill, a tape measure to measure out the width of the, I'm not even sure if I might need this. I might just use the pin, just score it, but we'll see. And you might need a drywall knife. I'm not really sure what size is up there yet since we haven't taken anything apart, but these are some tools that you could need. But without that, let's go ahead and get into taking this thing apart and see kind of what we're working with. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty, we've got some directions, and there's the switch. Got some hardware. Alright, this looks like, yeah, well, this is going to be the last thing that we're going to be putting on. But we'll put this aside for later. This is basically what we're going to be attaching into the attic. Okay, so we are going to have to get up into the attic at some time. You are going to need a step stool, unless you're like 8 feet tall or something, basketball player. But yeah, okay. So we're going to have to go get these wired up. Should be pretty simple to do. Yeah, this probably goes to this somewhere. These connects to this unit, and then we'll have to come in here and connect these all up. All right, let's do this. Oh, and there's the switch. Look what the switch looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right, cool. All right, so the first thing you have to do is take out these clips. You kind of pull this out. I think that they're pretty much all this way, but you just You just kind of pinch them together, and then voila. Pretty simple. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but pinch it, boom. See that? They just kind of pinch together. You go up in those little slots right there. I think probably something, I don't know, we're gonna have to do maybe something sooner, but keep on tearing into this thing.
All right, then we're gonna have to do 1, 2, 3, it looks like, and then we'll kind of see what we have from there.
All right, then this just kind of hooked into that, and you got to take out one little screw there, pull this thing off, and we're just gonna have to just unscrew these wire nuts. And we're gonna, actually, then we're going to pull off this. It looks like a 16 penny nail, and it looks like it's attached right here. So we're gonna have to pull that off, and then I think this whole assembly will just pop right out. Looks, well, you're gonna have to actually pop this out too. So we might have to go up in the attic once this is done, and then pull this thing out. Alrighty. Let's go up in this attic, see what we got over here. Oh, all right. Smells like smoke up here. Smells like a big old smoke bomb went off. What's this? What do you got right here? Oh, there's no bulb in it. Oh, super, super tight. All right, if you guys have never been up in the attic, make sure you walk on all these. Oh man. Alrighty, what do we have here? All right, so we went ahead and disconnected the exhaust pipe and the electrical, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this down with me, grab the other unit, bring it up here, attach it, and should be good to go. Alrighty guys, I'm not gonna even attempt to show you guys how I did my switches, but everybody might have a little something different going on, so don't listen to me. I'm not a licensed electrician, but we got her done. I cut off these stupid like quick connectors and just, I don't know, I don't like them. It's much easier just to use some wire nuts. But yeah, we got this going on. Now all we have to do is take this, put it up in this hole was actually, when I took it down, it's a little bit big, so we're gonna have to do some sheetrock unless this bezel will cover the hole, but that was their hole cut in. This thing was actually pretty big over there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing put up. What we have to do is we have to mount it, right? And this sticks into this board right here, right? So you just have to hammer it in. The problem is this side, I can't mount it flush because of this side, and I'm going to show you why. I'm gonna go around to the back side and show you. So geez, I think I might just cut it off a little bit so that way I can run it flush. So I'm going to go down to the garage and take about an inch off, about an inch, and then we'll have to jump back up here and keep on going. All right, I got it all tied in there. I got carried away, just started getting it done. It was getting kind of late. And then I had to cut that hole because I could not reach. I could not fit over there. It's just too far away. So I had to cut the hole to, yeah, I'm talking to you. No, so I had to cut the hole right here to drill that in right there. Otherwise, there's no way I could have fit back there. I was struggling. Look how tight it is back there. So yeah, I'll go down below and show you guys, but look at that. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of drywall, but it was just too tight. I had to cut the drywall open. Alrighty guys, we got it all hooked up, connected. I'm not gonna begin to tell you guys how to do the connecting, the wiring. That's gonna be up to you guys. That'll be a whole nother video. But yeah, it looks good. Check this out though. So you can turn it off, you can turn all these off. right? And turn it on, or you just turn it on and then turn the light on, really. Wait, let's turn on the night light. Oh wait, so you can turn on the night light or the blue light, you know what I mean? You can play music from it. I'm gonna turn this on. Pretty cool, got the fan, we got the fan going. See if we can get some music.
As the first time I saw you,
Little George Jones up in the house.
times have changed, but our hands haven't yet.
Ooh, it's gonna be all.
I'm still the same.
So it sounds all right. I mean, by no means is it super good, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and basically I just wanted to make sure it was connected before I started putting it up, because connecting it for me is probably the hard part, but putting it up in the attic is super simple. Alrighty, we got this all finished. Check this out. Let's see here. The fan's actually on. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Got light on. Can't really tell the night light. It's actually blue. It's kind of crazy. You can't really tell it, but yeah, you can barely hear it. But yeah, so check this out. So we had to actually come in here, but this thing connects just like the other one does. See that? See how it connects in there? With these little clips right here. Just kind of goes in that and push it up, but I had to cut this out so I could drill with those screws right there. There's no way I could have got up there, but yeah, so it had to cut. Anyway, you could see where it had to be, where it had to be put. New sheetrock had to be put in anyway, so not a big deal. Alrighty, all in all, man, it took me probably 5 hours. It is the next day, and we got it all installed. Super excited about that. The music works, everything works. So yeah, man, just as roofers being on the channel, man, we gotta run into some of the stuff every now and then. It's more for an HVAC guy though, HVAC. So if you do have the kind of situation, have HVAC do it. Now we can run the lines. That's pretty simple, and especially out of the roof. That's the main thing is. But this one's ran up to the roof. It's already done. So in this case, man, my fan was just bad. But listen to it. Subscribe.